And welcome back, continuing the news. To the health report now. In this evening's edition, Shamela Pullen looks at arthritis.
Arthritis is a disease that causes damage in your joints. Joints are places in your body where two bones meet. There are more than 100 different types of arthritis, but the most common seen in Jamaica is osteoarthritis. This is most common in people over 50 years old.
Mainly, what we would see would be mainly arthritis of the hips and the knee joints because they are large weight-bearing joints. So these joints, over time, they gradually wear out and cause pain. Why does this happen? This is because we're only given one set of cartilage, and that only allows the gradual wear of the cartilage. It's like a single tire on a car that you can't change.
The number of persons being diagnosed with arthritis is gradually increasing. According to one local doctor, this is due to modern medicine and people living longer. The longer you live, the chances of developing arthritis is higher. The condition often causes joint pain, stiffness, and inflammation.
The people most at risk are generally the older population, or those people who have had trauma to their major joints, who might have needed surgery. Also, there's a subset of patients like sickle cell disease who would develop something what we call a vascular necrosis of the femoral head. And this is where they have a rapid degeneration of their hip joints.
Treatment depends on the type of arthritis you have, but medications are usually used to manage the condition. However, in some cases, persons may need a joint replacement if the arthritis is severe.
In Jamaica, we tend to watch everything, and sometimes I end up getting patients when it's very late, and we just treat them medically. So getting an awareness of the condition in an early phase helps us to implement certain lifestyle modifications, which can help to decrease or slow down the progress of the arthritis.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health. The health report is brought